Привет, hello, and bonjour, and welcome to my channel. Today we are going to be doing something new. We will be creating multiple looks using one single palette. This is a series I've been wanting to start for a while to show the potential of several palettes. And the first one we'll be playing with is the Tropical Twilight palette from Makeup Revolution. So if you want to see how I got this look, or this look, or this look, or this look, or this one, then please keep on watching. Okay, I think it's very clear to see my face has already been prepped and primed, and I've just prepared my eyelids with some concealer, and we're gonna go right in. So starting off with the neutral look, I'm just gonna go in with this shade Sand and blend that into my crease. To soften the edges, I'm gonna go in with the shade Dawn. To deepen my V, I'm going to go in with the shade Tanned. Okay, so this one isn't quite as pigmented as I thought, but we're making it work. But it is still giving a beautiful, natural kind of depth. Taking a small pencil brush, I'll be going in with the darkest neutral shade Coconut and going on the under eye. Back in with Sand, I'll be blending that all out. Okay, next comes the fun part. I'm going to be going in with a cream shadow. It's going to be the shade Candlelight here, and I'll be applying that with a finger. I'm leaving just the slightest bit on the inner corner because I'm going to go in with a lighter shade. So I do find if you really want these colors to pop, the cream, it is better to place a lighter eyeshadow primer underneath for the purpose of this neutral look. I'm not doing that, but I might do that with the blues because I really want them to be extra vivid. All right, and with a clean finger, I'm going into Glow and doing the inner third and inner corner. So this shade is a little bit more of a golden sheen slash glitter. So it's a lot more natural, and I feel like you can top it over a lot of different colors. All right, I'm gonna do my lashes and liner, and I'll be right back. All right, so this is look number one, what I like to call neutral glam. I think it is absolutely stunning. I've tried the mattes in this palette a lot, and they just last really well throughout the day. And if you missed the names of the shadows, I will leave them down below. So on to the next one. Alrighty, Rouge, starting with our warm orangish kind of eye look. I'm gonna go in with Dusk very lightly just to kind of blend out the crease so then I can easily blend the darker oranges in. All right, next, going in with a bit of a denser brush, I'm gonna go into this beautiful, beautiful orange called Sunrise and try to do a bit of a halo eye situation. So I'm gonna do the inner third and the outer third and do my best to leave the middle completely clean, but I'll probably go in with a cut crease situation just in the middle after, so yeah. And before blending out too much with whatever is left on my brush, I'm just going to take it under the eye. Next, I'm going to go back in with Dusk and just soften all of the edges. And with that same yellow Dusk, blend out the underneath. Okay, so this is where we're at matching the eyes. What I'm gonna do is take the cut crease canvas from Makeup Revolution. Not my favorite brush tool situation because it's very, it's a bit of a mess, but it works really well. So I'm just gonna very lightly tap along the middle. So just wanna give it that really bright base for the shimmer that I'm gonna put on. And I somehow managed to always get it on my lashes. Okay, we're almost done with this look. I'm gonna go into this beautiful orange shimmer called Sunset, and with my finger, because it's a cream shadow, place that on the middle of my eye. Ooh, that's nice. Ooh, that's nice. And just gently with my finger kind of pulling the matte color into the shimmer for a nice little blend. Oh, I like that. That's beautiful. That's a warm orange sunset, sunrise. I don't know, but I dig it. And one last thing before I do my liner and mascara, I'm gonna go in with Glow again, that really warm golden shimmer, and do my inner corners. And the nose again, why not? Ooh, okay, I'm gonna do my lashes and liner and I'll be right back. Alright, to start off with my blue look, I'm going to go in with my trusty shade Dawn and just blend the crease so it's easier later. Next, I'm going to dive in right away with the very deep matte blue shade called Nightfall. And with that, I'm just going to do the outer V. And I'm just stamping that on because I find that some of the really deeply pigmented shades like to move around. You see it's kind of going away, so I'm going to start slow and build that up. I do find it occasionally troublesome to work with some of the deeper mattes in this palette because as I start putting more color on to build it up, it at the same time kind of moves the color that's already there. So you do have to be a bit patient with a few of the shades in this palette, but nothing we can't handle. Okay, so I'm actually quite liking the shape. I don't think that I really want to blend it out on the outer corner, do I? I'll leave it for now, but again, whatever is left on this brush, I'm just gonna go underneath the waterline, just about the outer third. We're gonna have quite a bit of fun with these three beautiful blue shimmers. They're cream consistency as well, and especially Starry Night, I think is probably my favorite shade in this palette. Absolutely obsessed. So starting with my finger, starting with Starry Night, working from the inner third the way out, I'm gonna do Starry Night, Night Sky, and then a little bit of Ocean, blending this deep blue out. Sorry, I know it's not best to see, but I really like going in with my pinky for that one when it's in the inner corner. Now I have tried to apply these before with a brush. It just doesn't work as well. Beautiful! I love this blue! And again, whatever's left on my finger, I'm gonna gently try and do this. Alright. Now I'm going a little bit lower on the bottom line. We're just gonna have quite a smoky blue eye. Do keep in mind these blues and the red that I'll be using as well, Afterglow, they kind of do leave a bit of a stain on the finger. It's nothing terrible, but it does take just a little bit of time and a little bit more attention to wash off. Next, with that beautiful blue called Night Sky, I'm just gonna be blending that towards the middle. Oh, these blues are phenomenal. That's all I can really say there. I'm obsessed. So I want to leave, if I can, it's getting a bit hard with the finger, the tiniest little bit of space between that matte shade and this color, just as I mentioned, to blend the darkest blue in. And again, I don't know what I'm doing with my hands, but I'm trying to kind of keep this train of thought going. And the last creamy blue, we're going in with Ocean, this deep, sparkly piece of heaven. And we're just bridging that gap between the matte shade and the lighter blue, kind of dragging into the matte shade because I feel like this moves around a little bit better, so it's easier to blend it in that way. And back in with good old Dawn, I'm just gonna gently try to blend out the situation. Last but not least, before the liner and lashes, I'm going in with Moonlit, and this is just, it looks white, but it has the softest pink purple iridescence, so that's going in the inner corner. Okay, and on the nose. And I'll be right back. Alright, so that is the blue look, and I am obsessed! So beautiful. Okay, one thing I will say, using these creams, and it's not just these cream shadows, it's others, don't expect this look to last all day. Cream shadows do crease, and that is what these are gonna do. I've tried a similar look before, and after a few hours I did get creasing, but I have not tried it with the matte on the outside, so we'll see how this wears. But all in all, so easy and quick to do and such a beautiful look. I can't stop staring at myself. Ooh, I just, I love it. Okay, on to the red look. Once again, I'm going into Dawn to blend out my crease just so it's easier to blend the rest of my eyes. Okay, next I'm gonna go into this beautiful deep red shade. It's called Sundown. Maybe not so much red, but very warm, earthy color. And with that, I'll be doing my outer V. So I do really want to try and maintain this shape, so I might blend out ever so slightly, but for the most part, I want this V. I'm just really stamping on this color. With that brush I used Dawn on, I'm just gonna gently blend the inside. Okay, next going in with this shimmery cream red shade, Afterglow. I'm gonna go in the inner third and the outer third, but try to leave a little bit of space in the middle for a glitter. This is why I don't use my big finger on the inside. Oh, that goes on beautifully. I'm just gonna do my pinky. Now just connecting that to the matte shade. And I'm gonna deepen that outer V a little more. This one as well, as I may have mentioned, that's the red. It does stain the finger. Micellar water doesn't completely wash it off, so do be careful. It doesn't really transfer onto the skin from here, but something to be aware of. Okay, now the fun part, we're gonna go into this beautiful glittery pink red shade called Cocktails and put that in the middle. She's sparkly. Ooh, I feel like I need to celebrate something. That's nice. Do I want an under? I don't want an under eye for this. We're gonna go with this look. Okay, so I'm gonna do my liner and lashes and I'll be right back. Alrighty, Rue, that is the red look. I should have done this last because of the glitter, which is now everywhere. So if you see it on my face for other parts of this video, that is why. Please be patient with me, thank you. I'm loving it. It's a bit of a graphic red look. I do not do bright pink red looks, but making my eyes pop, I'm digging it. But yeah, this is a really pretty, I think, fairly wearable red look. And we're doing the last look, the green look. Once again, I think this will be the shade I use at first. I'm going in with Dawn just to blend out my crease so it's easier for the future. Next, to start out my outer V, I'm gonna go into Night Walk, which is a very deep kind of forest green. I'm going in next with one of my absolute favorite colors in this palette, and it is the shade Mojito, which I think is probably the most wearable green I have seen in years. And that is going to be a wash all over the eyelid. So I'm not too concerned about blending these two quite yet, because I might be putting another shade there. And again, whatever is left on this brush underneath the eye. I'm going to go in with Mojito again, but with a fluffy brush and just blend it all out. And back in with Night Walk. Next, to kind of blend the light green and the dark green, I'm going to go in with Promises. It looks a little bit gold in the pan, but it actually has this beautiful olive green tone. So I'm going to just try to blend the two colors together with that. I'm actually going to go right over the middle of the lid too, because it just looks so beautiful layered. And one more time, Glow for the inner corner. Okay, I'm quickly going to do lashes and liner, and I'll be right back. Okay, and this is the green look. It is super wearable. Green is another color I find that I just don't reach to put on my eyes, but now I will. I really like this. I'm sure you still see the red glitter from the previous look, so whoops, but Glitter ain't going nowhere, my bad. I am so happy with this. Again, a mix of mattes and creams, and was just honestly a really quick and easy look, so really can't complain. Alright everybody, that concludes today's videos. Thank you so much for watching. I am so happy with how these looks turned out. There's probably 600 more I can do with this palette, but I'm not going to because my eyeballs are sore from the makeup removal and reapplication. However, I do think it was worth it, and hopefully that gives you some ideas of the different kind of looks you can do. If you do not already have this palette, I really do recommend it. It's a very good price. You get 28 shadows, 3 textures, and Makeup Revolution always has sales, so you can always get it either discounted or in a special bundle. Go and get it. I'm not sure what that was. Go get it. Let me know what you guys think of these looks. Leave a comment down below letting me know which one was your favorite. I'm not sure. I think I love the blue very much. And the neutral. No, I love them all. I can't decide. Let me know what you think. Give this video a thumbs up, and if you haven't already, do please subscribe. I'm a new and growing channel, so it would mean a lot to me. I do hope to do plenty more of these kinds of videos, and I do have a few palettes coming up very soon, I think. So definitely stay tuned for those, and thank you so much for watching. Hopefully this video was not too long, and I will catch you in the next one. Bye!